Lavish Gang? It's your girl Banger, and I'm back here with another banger by myself. We don't have a lavish with us right now because I'm going to be doing the handcuff challenge on him. So basically what that means is I got a set of handcuffs that I bought that he doesn't know about, and I'm going to just walk up to him and I'm going to just cuff his hands, and we're going to be handcuffed for 24 hours. Well, we're going to try because he's really irritating. Attached, I can't do it. But yeah, so we're going to be doing that. Well, he doesn't know I'm going to be doing that. I'm just going to walk up to him and I'm going to just handcuff him, and that's going to be that. He's going to be upset and he's not going to know what's going on, and that's just going to be period. I'm going to do that after I brush my teeth, wash my face, and throw me something on, because we get handcuffs together, we're not going to be able to, we're not going to be able to put clothes on, and we're not going to be able to do the things that we're going to do if we wasn't handcuffed. So I'm going to make sure I prepare myself. I don't know about him. I hope he got something on right now, because once I'm ready to handcuff, I'm ready to handcuff. So I'm going to brush my teeth, wash my face, put a shirt on. I need to go to Target. Okay guys, I am back. And we about to get into this video, okay? So I just got dressed, so I won't have to be doing the most with the handcuffs on while I'm getting dressed. I can already be dressed, so I kind of cheated, but that's okay. I was kind of fair because I told Lavish, I told him, I said, get dressed, make sure you get dressed. I said, get dressed, we're about to leave. I have to go to Target. So if he's not dressed, that's on him. The handcuffs aren't going on. And I'm gonna leave the key home, okay guys? So without further ado, let's get into this. Wait. I'm gonna cuff my left arm because I'm right-handed. And I'm gonna make mine loose because I'm a cheater. And I'm gonna make his tight. Let me hide the key. Let's go.
Huh? What you doing? No. We're not doing this. We're not doing this. Son, no.
Wait.
Son, no. Why are we doing this, bro?
The freak, man.
Yes.
You made me lock it.
Yes. Lock it.
What?
Bro, why are you doing it?
We are going to be
This is crazy.
handcuffed together for the rest of the day.
Bro,
How do you feel?
I can't even. No, son,
wait,
how we?
Want to make it tighter?
Bro, we have.
Start. Let's.
How am I putting my jacket and stuff on, bro?
Oh. I guess.
You ain't think that through, did you?
Better wear the sweater. Come on, I gotta put my shoes on. You got your shoes on?
Oh.
So you. No, come on. Let me put my shoes on. Really fast.
Son, this is not good.
Let's go.
This is
How am I gonna get the... Okay, hold the camera.
See?
Oh, the mug. Want me to make it a little tighter?
What? Why make it tighter?
Oh. Come on. I thought that's what you wanted. What
No.
else? What else you gotta get in here? Wait.
Come on, I don't gotta get nothing else. I don't know what I'm waiting for. What I'm waiting for? No, I gotta go.
Wait.
Come on.
Wait, I
On my
need
phone,
to
we do gotta go back in here.
Wait, I need to put some perfume and stuff on.
This is bad. This is so bad. I want to brush my hair. Like, I didn't even get to brush my hair.
Wait, let me get the baby.
Wait, get the baby.
Come on.
This is crazy. This is outrageous. I just gotta brush my hair. Bruh, what? Where the brush at, bruh?
I don't know, but you don't really need to brush
Yes,
your
I
hair.
do.
What? You can't even tell what's going on up there.
Where that brown brush?
Right here. Guys, we're gonna pull this off. We're gonna try to do it. We gotta go all the way to Target.
Like, you just came out of nowhere with this shit, bro.
Right.
We out.
Okay. So let me get my coat now.
This, I don't know how we doing this, yo.
Well, I guess I'm gonna have to wear one arm. It's too cold out there. I should have put my coat
You
on
ain't
first.
think this through. And if you would have put the coat on, how you was gonna take it off?
Oh yeah. Let's go put the coat on. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
How I'ma rush? How I'ma rush?
My freaking arm. OMG, my arm is twisting.
How am I getting in this car?
I gotta climb in the back.
Nah, you about to drive, bro. I'm not about to climb, I'm too big for that.
I can't drive them like this. You gotta drive. I have to do it like this. Hold the camera.
Take the keys and the camera. I'm not going to wear no damn jacket.
Guys, we made it in the car. I have to sit in the back seat right now because I have to sit in the back with the baby. Then we're gonna go.
And I'm gonna drive with handcuffs on, right?
And we're gonna make our way.
Crazy. This is dangerous. This is dangerous. This is dangerous. How I'm doing this?
All right, guys. So we just dropped the baby off. We just took the baby to the sitter, and we are still handcuffed. We're about to go to Target because I have to bring all of these gifts back that I've been bought that she just doesn't need because she's too old. So yeah, we're gonna go to Target and we're gonna see how this goes. Someone seems a little aggravated because I keep on. Come on, you all heavy. Look, show them.
She don't think, yo. So we had. Let me talk.
It ain't about thinking.
She don't think.
It's about comprehending.
All right, can I talk, please? She don't think because one, how we got one jacket. We got half a jacket on. It's cold. It's the winter time. We could get sick. Two, we had the baby was. We had to climb back and forth. We had to climb back and forth in the car just to get in and out. Like, this is crazy, bro. I don't think nobody should do this. Don't do this. We're not doing this again.
Come on.
You gotta be chained to.
You cannot be doing all of that. We are united. We are united. We are unity. Yeesh. Yeesh. Baby, I don't.
So we finally made it to Target. But the only problem is we ain't got no mask. What? We're already breaking the law with going in there with no mask. And then they gonna look at us like fools.
How about you?
No. Babe, I'm too tall to climb. I can't even get out. I should drag you. Come on, looking stupid. Retarded. Like it.
Wait, we gotta get the stuff out the back.
Oh my god.
Wait,
it's in the front.
Oh.
What are you talking about?
I'm in the front, dummy.
Oh my god.
What are you talking about?
No, what you talking about? Wait, come here. No. I'm gonna make it better. Grab a cart.
Bro, I don't
grab a cart. Cause we not about to not carrying that junk, bro. Hey, so you want me to grab it? This your fault. This her fault. Now it's cold. Stop fucking, bro.
It is the cart. I need my other hand.
How?
Some way. Somehow.
Ah! Oh. Hurry up. Hurry up. Oh. Oh.
Wait.
Come on, go. Wait, did you lock the door?
No.
Oh, come on.
No.
Come on. Put what over my face?
You cold.
Oh my god, yo. Oh yeah, I forgot we ain't got no mask. Oh my god. Bro, she got his hand looking crazy, bro.
I wonder if they sell masks.
Yo, this is not good.
No, we gotta get a mask.
From where? They should have a mask in the front or something. Oh, great. Bad dope, though. That's your man.
I can put mine on.
Are you put yours on? Are you gonna have to put mine on for me? Oh yeah, I forgot.
Ready?
Put on my head. Woo! Safe.
Let's go.
Safe as hell. Now, mind y'all, we in Target. I ain't tell y'all how much this girl like this, so hopefully we in and out, cause my wrist is definitely hurting. I know. Put it down.
I want to hold.
Oh my God. I don't want to touch this with you.
Alright, come on, let's go this way. Let's see what I gotta get. What do I want?
But I thought we was just returning.
Okay, come on.
We're gonna be in here all day. You trying to be in here all day? Let's return this first, and then we could probably go back. Probably. Cause, no, you
Left
don't.
my wallet in my house.
No, you did. I got it.
Said I did.
I thought you gave it to me. That little thing?
No, my wallet.
Oh my God. What you need the wallet for?
To return this, to get the debit card out of there.
I thought this was gifts.
One of them is a gift. One of them.
I thought all of this shit was good.
No.
You ain't buying none of this.
Yes, I did. I bought this. They all looking at us like we're crazy.
Oh, that shit closed? Oh. She crazy. She be bullying me in the Target. Oh.
Alright guys, so I want Starbucks. Can we go to Starbucks?
No.
We're already here.
Look at this line, bro.
Oh God, look at this line. Who that? I think I know him.
No.
Oh my God.
Nah, son. No.
Oh, I did that. Why you still here? Why you here?
She said how much
Why you still here? No, I'm talking about this time. What y'all doing?
Chain for 24 hours.
Change for 24 hours. That will teach y'all a lesson. Okay.
This
That's
is crazy.
cute. That's cute. Alright guys, so we on Starbucks line right now.
It's not Starbucks.
This is
I know it
Starbucks.
was her idea, right?
Yeah, definitely was
her-
our idea. Definitely was. Definitely our idea.
Oh, we in Starbucks line now, guys, and we about to get me a coffee, baby, because of your girl.
Oh my God. Stop, idiot. You retarded, yo. See, look, this what I deserve, for real? It's hurting my wrist.
Wait,
Alright,
wait,
come on.
wait.
You don't even know what you want.
I never had it. My mama told me.
Damn, girl.
I want a venti white mocha frat vanilla sweet cream instead of milk caramel.
What? What did you just order?
Alright, you want extra caramel, right?
Uh-huh.
So you want regular whole milk. And what else?
Yeah.
It's not even a regular order.
Yeah.
Who order you stealing? Who order you stealing, girl?
My mother.
Well,
That jump better be rocky.
I got you to put your coat on.
Come closer. I gotta grab my money. Yeah. Cause y'all don't have those. You got a dollar?
You got these people looking at us crazy.
Dig in this
What?
pocket.
Huh?
$1. This one.
I know y'all ain't drive like this.
Yes. We got in a
Yo,
car
we got
like
in a car like this and all that.
Yes.
Oh, I forgot.
I'm tired of climbing. It's your turn now.
No, son. Cause then how much? If I climb in, how
You on my
how,
jacket.
how you gonna drive? How you gonna drive? That's right.
Guys, please. Oh, it's too cold to do this, honestly. My goodness.
It's your idea.
Freezing outside.
Let me
My
see what y'all
hands-
be going so crazy.
Whoa.
Starbucks. That's why y'all be going here? Oh my God.
What does he say? It's good, right?
Tastes like having cream. What's in this? Like chocolate chip cookies or something?
Alright, you taking too many sips.
Why you ain't order me one? We about to go back, son. Oh!
Look at this car, yo.
What the?
They trying to hit me.
Are you dumb?
Are you? Come on, ride off, pull off on the plug. Skirt.
Say that again?
So now I gotta settle.
The
We
meal.
got Burger King.
Yeah, the meal, yeah.
We got Burger King.
Medium or long?
Medium.
And what do you want for your drink?
So I ain't
You got strawberry
I'm
Fanta?
hungry, but I'm on Burger King.
We have some behind.
I'm gonna get a Sprite.
Anything else?
You want something from me? That's all.
Ah! You have to say excuse me and say, can we come over here? Because we are one.
Who?
Us.
We should have wore one jacket.
No, we don't need one jacket.
I'm cold.
Me too.
No, you're not. You don't care about me.
Just gotta make sure you say excuse me.
I don't know how. I want.
What?
What you doing?
You not giving her no money right now.
I just practice.
You talk about practice, she all the way up there. And you're not giving her that car with yo.
What?
I'm not moving all the way over there.
Why?
Because I've been climbing all day.
I'm trying to pay you, but
the mom, you don't need that hand to pay this man. The mom, how am I supposed to get? Wow, sorry, sir, but this is unbelievable, yo. Look at him. He looking at you like you crazy. You could have grabbed with your left hand.
my left hand. I forgot I had that.
My wrist hurt.
Stop! Ah! Ah! Okay. Oh, why you do that?
Make that jump tighter. Since he want to keep on hurting my wrist. Are you kidding me? It's about to crash. Oh, stop. Please, what time is it? Oh.
It's 6:33.
Oh, I'm just tired of you. I ain't being 24 cuff nothing no more.
Why you don't like me? I don't want to be next to me. 24 hours. I love you. Full quarantine. Let me get some quarantine. Let me get some.
So, we back in the house. Let's go. Do them up. So, we're back in the house, and he the only one with food. So your girl just sitting here while he eating. Where's my food? I'm totally confused.
I'm not sure.
Wait, right here.
Oh.
Bro, bro. Come on, is that junk hurt? So I'm supposed to just sit here while you eating? Let me get some. Alright, gotta use the bathroom.
Oh, son!
I gotta use the bathroom.
Ow!
Gotta use the bathroom.
My wallet!
Take this. I gotta use the bathroom.
Oh my god. How you gonna do? Wait. Hold on. No, I'm putting this on the floor.
I can't use the bathroom like this.
Well then.
This is so uncomfortable.
Still at it. My wrist hurt, but I don't care. Come on. Get some drinks.
Thirsty? What you want?
Yeah, let me some agua.
I'm cool. I can't even put my robe on. This people.
Alright. So aggressive. Damn.
Put your arm down.
But I'm supposed to open my water. I can't open it. Yeah, these cuffs really hurt. Bruh, alright, you tired? My arm hurting, I'm hurting you. I guess we're gonna end this video right here, cause
It's been too long.
I guess we're gonna end this video
And my
right here.
wrist is turning red. Alright guys, make sure you like,
comment, and subscribe.
Love you already know. It's your girl Banger. Don't forget to even follow me on Instagram at QueeBanger_.
And follow your boy on Instagram at yb.lavish. Know the vibes.
Close out.
Alright, close out, baby girl.
How we gonna do it when we like this? How we gonna do our handshake?
Oh, like this. Come on.
Oh, Russ.
You gotta use your other hand too.
Ow.
Like, just move with mine, son.
How am I do? We can't do elbow.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
I
we
need
can
your
elbow this
help,
one.
son.
We got elbow with this one, like this.
Ah, stop turning.
Try to elbow it.
Elbow.
Alright, Lavish family. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking.
What?
Thank you guys for subscribing. Give it a 2 thumbs up if you like this video.
Damn.
And we also gonna be having some giveaways. We're gonna be doing a lot of things for you guys. So just tune in. Thank you guys for watching. We out of here. Bye.